and welcome to this short video tutorial from Lingua's free software, FreeLINK. FreeLINK can be used to download audio files from Lingua's books and educational materials and add them to your talking pen. You can find FreeLINK on all our websites, but we're going to demonstrate using the US site. Go to usa.mantralingua.com. Locate our free software suite either by scrolling or using the drop-down menu under Products. Click on FreeLINK. You will find plenty of information about FreeLINK here. You will also be able to download FreeLINK on this page. If you have a computer that runs Windows, you click on the Download button. If you have an Apple computer or are unable to install FreeLINK for any other reason, such as your school's IT settings, you will be using the live version. We will demonstrate how that works later on in this video. Once you have clicked the Download button, you proceed to install FreeLINK just as you would install any other software on your computer. You allow installation by clicking Next or Yes repeatedly until the program is installed. Once installation is complete, you will find FreeLINK in the Start menu or in the location where you have chosen to install the program. Click on the FreeLINK icon to start the program. If you have already created a user profile, you enter your username and password here. If this is the first time you set up a FreeLINK account, you click New User, Register Here Free. Enter a username, password, email address, and your first and last name. Then you select individual, school, or nursery. And finally, complete registration. Once you have set up your user account, you enter your username and password on the start screen and then click Login. You can now access all the files that have been added to FreeLINK. On the left-hand side, you can search for a specific language or a title. Before you begin to select files, connect your talking pen to your computer with the USB cable provided. In this instance, we are using the PenPal talking pen. Please ensure you start FreeLINK before you connect your talking pen. You can see in your FreeLINK window that the PenPal is now connected, so you can go ahead and add your files. To find titles you want to add, you can search for a language under Choose Language and then Search. Or, if you know the title of the book you want, select Enter Title and then Search. When you have found the files you want, you double-click in the box next to the file. You can select multiple files at once. If you accidentally select a file you don't want, just click in the box one more time to deselect the file. When you are ready, click Download Selected Files, and the files will automatically get added to your talking pen. Once the download is complete, safely disconnect your talking pen from the computer, just as you would with any USB device, and you can start listening to Lingua's dual language books straight away. If you can't install the FreeLINK software, you can easily add files manually by going to talkingpen.co.uk/FreeLINK Live USA, or by clicking the Live Version button, which will take you to the same site. In the search bar, you can look for a language or a title. When you find the language and title you want, click Download on the right-hand side, and the file will get downloaded to a folder on your computer. Now you can transfer the files to your talking pen manually, just like you would with a USB stick. Connect your talking pen using the USB cable provided. Open the folder on your talking pen called AP4. Now open the Download folder on your computer. Select the audio files and drag them across to the AP4 folder on your pen. You can also select the files. Right-click, copy, and then paste them into the AP4 folder. Wait for the files to get moved across to your talking pen, then safely disconnect and the pen is ready to use. If you accidentally added a file you don't want, you can just open the AP4 folder on your pen, right-click, and delete, just as you would with any file on your own computer. But don't worry, our talking pens have plenty of room for hundreds of files. If you run into any problems at all using FreeLINK, please contact us on info@mantralingua.com. There are many languages and stories to discover on FreeLINK. Happy listening!